In this video, we'll be comparing the 5 best electric bike that are designed for different kinds of users. If you want more information, most updated pricing and the products we mentioned, be sure to check in the link on description. Please subscribe our channel and notify the bell icon. Okay, let's start the video.
The Mobo Triton Pro is the ultimate full-sized three-wheeled cruiser. The innovative rear-wheel steering system and an ergonomic recumbent design is perfect for leisure rides at the beach, around the neighborhood, and anywhere else adventure awaits. This unique, exciting, and easy-to-ride trike is low to the ground, with a freewheel mechanism and a smooth pedaling motion. With no balance required, riders can relax, experience nature, and exercise with peace of mind. Built with the quality you can trust, the stylish cruiser features a comfortable cushion seat, a safety flag for optimal visibility, caliper handbrakes, a maintenance-free chainless drive, and a heavy-duty adjustable steel frame that fits riders 4 feet and above. Take the Mobo Triton Pro for a cruise and start your adventure today.